Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another interesting video where I would show you how to install LED indicators onto our Fazer or FZ or any other bike, any other Indian bike that's available in the market. So if you observe closely, my angel rings are synced with my indicators. So when the indicators go on, they blink with them in amber color. If you look very closely, I will just slow down the video for you. There is a missing sync in between them, as the indicators are bulbs but the rings are LEDs. So LEDs always look cooler and they are very sharp. So let's change them into LEDs and get started with the video right away. So the LED bulbs that I would be using is from SIMTAC or SIMTAC, and they have a website as simtacauto.com, and these are made in India LEDs. So I'm really happy that these LEDs now are made in India, and we would replace this with these bulbs. So let me just replace one of them. So let me show you the difference between an LED bulb and an incandescent bulb. So there is just one screw that holds the reflector and the lens onto the indicator, and that's in the bottom of the indicator unit right over here. So let's start by removing them. So there you observe the incandescent bulb, and we would be replacing them with LEDs right away. So these are simple 1356 holders which has a twisted pin, and we have to just put it in and rotate it clockwise. So there you go. On the right hand side we have the LED, and on the left hand side we still have the incandescent bulb. So you can clearly observe the difference in the response. See how synced the right side is with the ring, and the difference between the incandescent bulb and the ring on the left. I'll slow down the video for you to understand this better. So now let me change all 4 indicators into LEDs. The process is gonna be the same, so I will not show you all 4 sides because it's the same and you'll get bored out of it. So first let me change all 4 of them and then talk to you. So there we have it. Both the front ones change into LEDs, and I'll go ahead and change the rear ones as well. So right now you can see the kind of sync it has, how sharply it switches on and switches off. So that tells us that both are LEDs, and I should say, I'm not sure if it shows up on the camera, but these LED bulbs are considerably brighter than the stock incandescent bulbs. I can clearly see the difference. I'm not sure if you can see the difference on camera, but let me assure that it definitely is brighter. So you can see the clear difference between the right and the left. One of them is an LED and one of them is still an incandescent bulb. आप clearly देख सकते हो कि LED कितना sharp on off होता है और जो normal bulb होता है वो कितना slowly on और slowly off होता है. थोड़ा वीडियो स्लो डाउन करता हूँ, आपको बेटर समझ में आ जाएगा उससे. Okay, so you must be wondering why did I remove the fairing now. So there is one last thing that we need to do, and that is to avoid hyper flashing. Do you know what hyper flashing is? The moment you install LED, your indicators start to blink extremely fast, and that's called hyper flashing. So to counteract that, I would be using a digital indicator blinker or a blinker relay. So let me show you what that is. So this is what is meant by a digital relay or an electronic relay. So I will replace the stock relay with this relay. So it's a blinker relay. इसी के वजह से blinking होती है. इसको बस बदलना है, जो कंपनी से आया उसको चेंज करके ये लगाना है. So जल्दी से लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द फेयरिंग को खोलेंगे. फेजर में लेफ्ट साइड में रहता है ये रिले, और जल्दी से इसको रिप्लेस करके देखते हैं if the issue gets resolved. 4 mm Allen key. Okay, it suddenly started raining. Okay, anyways, so ये है आपका फ्लैशर रिले. इस पे लिखा हुआ भी है 12 volt फ्लैशर रिले. So we'll pull it out and we'll replace it with our new relay and we'll check if everything works fine. So out with the old and in with the new. So I just connected the new relay and let's check what is the outcome. Alright, so now you can see everything blinks perfectly fine. There is no hyper blinking, there is no slow blinking, everything looks fine. So that has been a success. So let me put back everything onto the bike and we'll see the final output. Alright, so I'll try to make the new one sit like stock. So I'll just pull out this rubber from the old one. It's a rubber holder just to put it into place. And I'll try to sit that relay in the same place without making any changes. So now you can see it sits perfectly fine and snug just like stock. Let me put back everything onto the bike and we should be done. So before I end this video, let me discuss about the costing involved for this project. So the LED bulbs that you saw were 700 rupees, 700 Indian rupees, and the digital flasher that I installed costed me 86 rupees. So the total cost came out to be 786 rupees. So that was LED conversion of my bike under 800 rupees. Alright guys, so with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked the video and I hope you learned something new. I hope you will also convert your bike's indicators into the LED unit. रिलेटिवली ईजी प्रोसेस था, बस जो ब्लिंकर रिले निकालने वाला प्रोसेस था वो थोड़ा लेंदी है क्योंकि आपको टैंक के नीचे तक पहुंचना होता है. अदर देन दैट इट्स क्वाइट सिंपल एंड स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. सो थैंक यू अगेन फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. If you have any doubts or questions, you can shoot down a comment and I would answer them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks again. Take care. Always wear a helmet when you ride. Have a nice day.